Good morning, this is Libby with English Made Easy. Today I'm going to introduce you to this free English class that I have designed to help you learn English without any headache. It's going to be so easy and fun to learn English with us. I can guarantee you that you will fall in love with it because we start from the very bottom of the language, and from there we rise with you and you will understand everything. Who am I? My name is Nossilin Zido. I am originally from Haiti. My first language is Haitian Creole. My second is French. And I did struggle myself to study English, Spanish, and German. Since 2005, I have been working as a medical interpreter. But now I live in Washington State, where I work as a certified medical interpreter in French, Haitian Creole, and Spanish, plus English, obviously, right? How do I manage to study so many languages to learn them? The secret lies in syntax. If you are native, you don't really care about that. But if you are a foreigner, you want to learn English as a second language, you do need to know syntax. What is syntax? I'm going to explain you syntax in a very simple way. Let's take a look at this picture right here. This is a piece of art, right? It's beautiful, marvelous. How can somebody design something so sophisticated? It's just because that person understands how and where to put every single little piece so it can stand like this. That's exactly what syntax does. In any language, syntax determines the order in which words should be placed in a particular sentence. In order for you to build a sentence in any language, it is very important, it is crucial for you to know how this language wants you to build that sentence, and that thing will be determined by syntax. If you want to learn any language, the first thing you will be doing, you will be translating from your language to that language. But there's a danger there. You can translate your words, but not the syntax. Okay? Make sure you learn this language. You learn the syntax of this language first before you translate anything. Because you're gonna have like a deorganized sentence and nobody will understand what you're saying. Since syntax is dealing with words, so we need to organize the words. So what is a word then? Word can be any letter or a group of letter having a meaning. There should be a meaning. It should mean something. It can be one letter or it can be like a few letters combined. But in order for it to be a word, there should be a meaning for this thing. If it doesn't mean anything, it's not a word. What is a letter itself? To understand letter, we need to take a look at the alphabet. The alphabet is all the letters combined. When you have all the letters combined in just one, and then that unity is the alphabet. You have a total of 26, but keep in mind, in English, the alphabet is strictly related to the spelling. It doesn't help you with anything else. The letters will tell you how to write or how to spell a word. They have absolutely nothing to do with the pronunciation. Okay? I know that in French, Creole, Spanish, even in German, just by seeing the word itself, you will know how to pronounce this word, but not in English. Let's take a look at the alphabet. A, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, let's review a bit faster this time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was all for today. Stay tuned. In our second lesson, we are going to start combining words together. We will start working with syntax. Please subscribe, share, and activate the bell. I can guarantee you with us, you will definitely learn English. Take care. See you for our second lesson.